How to change your age in TikTok. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your TikTok app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. There is no alternative of changing the birth date, but there is an alternative. What you can do is, you can scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile. Tap on Editing Profile. As there is no option of changing birth date, you want to scroll down and tap on Others. Now here, you need to scroll down and tap on Need More Help. You can write what is wrong in your profile right now. That is, you need to change your birth date as you have entered it wrong before. And also tell the TikTok that you can provide your birth certificate. You do not have to paste it right now, but if TikTok asks you for it, then you can provide them. After that, you want to tap on Submit, and after some time, TikTok will contact you and you'll be able to change your age on TikTok. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.